1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Tagpuan, may mga sarili at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay.
Achievements mo ka.
Sa ilalim ng
Ano ba, di ba? Sana kayanin mo yung mga pagsubuhay. Sana kayanin mo yung sakit namin sa ulo. Sana gabayan mo kami. Sana ma'am, maging masaya ka today. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Bea. More birthday to come. More blessings to come also. And good health palagi.
Ayan na. Happy birthday, ma'am. Salamat sa pag-ibig sa amin. And sabi ko, flowers. Ito ka daw. Mark, ikaw. Happy birthday, Mama Bea B. Sabi ko always. Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am. I love you. Wishing you all the best. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, ma'am. I wanna say happy. Happy birthday, Ma'am Bea. More birthday to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Maria! Happy birthday, Ma'am! Stay solid!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Bea. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Ma'am Bea. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Happy life. Good health.
Happy birthday, Mami. Singing balloon. Thank you. I love you.
hangad sa buhay.
Bea, happy birthday!
Hello, Ma'am Bea, aka Baby. Happy birthday and God bless you indeed. And pakasal na yun.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Bea. We wish you all the best. Thank you sa pagkain.
Kasama ka na.
Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay.